Rock Steady Boxing is an international not-for-profit that started in Indianapolis, Indiana 10 years ago for any patient who is diagnosed with Parkinson's disease in any stage of that disease.
It's just overall conditioning, cognitive function, and just total body exercise.
I developed Parkinson's disease and was looking for something to improve things or even to keep things steady. We found it very beneficial. We talked to people in the community, and someone came up with the idea, why not develop a program in Anderson?
Full range of motion!
We are now one of 200 affiliates with Rock Steady Boxing.
2 minutes with push-ups.
They're 90-minute classes, and we meet typically 3 times a week.
All right, here we go.
The demand was so high in our area that we've already had to offer 12 daytime classes and 3 evening classes.
Parkinson's disease is a very complex illness. It's progressive. It doesn't always progress at the same rate.
In that bag like you own it.
Not all people are affected to the same degree.
Rock Steady Boxing is kind of the first of its kind to fight back against the disease. You're finding that they're getting better in their disease state, not worse.
The first and most obvious benefit from Rock Steady program is it gets people out of the house.
We had one of our Rock Steady Boxing people who we found out he hadn't left the house in 2 years. And the first thing that he told us when he came in a wheelchair was, "I can't stand." And within a month of that first visit, he's now walking in with only a cane.
I've seen them come in. I mean, literally, you could not leave their side, and 2-3 months down the road, they are literally running around the gym and jumping rope.
One of the wives came in and she was in tears. She said, "You gave me my husband back." I could not read his facial expressions. I didn't know if he was upset, if he was sad, if he was happy, if he loved me. And for the first time in a long time, I can now see facial expressions in my husband. The exercise itself, the fact that they're around other people and they're forming that community, all those things are helping them to get better.
Everybody gets to know everybody else. There's no competition. We're all in the same boat.
They can lean on each other. Hey, one knows exactly what the other one's going through.
Puts you in a family of people that you'd have never gotten in before, and it's one of the worthwhile families that you can find.
Rock Steady Boxing is not a moneymaker. It's a community service. You do it to help people, and the foundation's been very supportive in that.
Rock Steady Boxing would not have ever come to fruition if it wasn't for Community Hospital Anderson's Foundation. They've been essential for us obtaining the equipment and the space that we need, and the foundation said, "We will make sure that there's not one person that's diagnosed with Parkinson's disease that cannot come to Rock Steady because of their inability to pay."
With the support of Community Hospital, I think it's got a good future, and a lot of people are going to be benefited.
Having a program like Rock Steady Boxing in the community, I mean, it benefits everybody.
These are not patients, these are boxers. This is not a medical facility, this is not a doctor's office. This is a gym where they're coming to fight back against the disease.
There is hope after the diagnosis of Parkinson's disease, and certainly the Rock Steady program has demonstrated its ability to contribute to their well-being.
To be a part of the giving, visit communityanderson.com/foundation.